control. That was unnecessarily loud, but okay, so this is the weed control unit. If you ever wondered how they keep the weeds down, this is it. All these tanks filled with pesticide, these 2 box cars, they got a sprayer. I didn't want to get any closer than that. I didn't really want to get sprayed with that. But you see how these cars are all connected by a hose up top? There you go. Miles and miles of spraying pesticide on the rails. I never thought about it, but that's how they keep the weeds down. They just spray horrible chemicals for thousands of miles. Makes sense, right? Only here, only on my YouTube channel will you find the weed control unit